Hey YouTube, so if you saw my last video, I did an unboxing of this Multipick Elite Medium 27-piece Christina Palmer pick set. It's a mouthful. And I just went through the pick setter, picked a lock with it. I've actually been messing with them now for about 4 hours, and I thought I may not like the handles, but I actually like them quite a bit. They don't hurt your fingers or anything like the HPC metal handles do. So they're very nice, and I'm going to kind of do a throwback to my old days on YouTube here, or do a pick and gut of an American lock. Absolutely my favorite kind of lock to pick. And to do that here, I'm going to try to use this pick here, the V60 on their website. And for a tensioner, top of the keyway, and this is a 1.3 millimeter, which is pretty close to a .040 pick if you're in the States. And we're going to go ahead and actually, we'll pick and gut it here. So start out by... Oh, anybody wants to see the key? There's a key on here. So that's our key. A lot of deep pins there. And also, I'm going to put a link here to this pick set, and they did put a promo code. And like I said in the last video, I don't make any money or anything from the promo code, but if you want to save 10% on some Multipick products, the code's there. And it's good till the end of 2023. So, man, I haven't picked a lock like this. It's been a while. All right, so apply some tension here. You know, holy cow. So we're filming a video. Let me try to keep it in frame here. All right, so go through here, look for something binding. I think that was number 3. We'll click on 4. Click on 5. Go back to number 1 here. Tiny click on 1. That was 3 again. And it's going to have serrated pins, so we probably will have to pick a few of these more than once. Yep, got a little bit of rotation there. I just touched number 5 again. And double check 1 right behind the tensioner. Okay, I think that's actually going to be set. Ooh, got a false set there, almost dropped the tension wrench. So now we got a false set, so now we just need to find our spool pin here. Start in the back. And we're going to be looking for some counter rotation here. Number 4 is going to give it to us. I think the pick slipped off here. Man, I'm way out of practice. There we go. It's a lot of counter rotation. And hey, look at that. We did it. Got the lock picked here. And since I have a key, I'll just go ahead and lock it back. And we'll go ahead and we'll gut it. All right, so little pin and tray action here. All right, got our cylinder. Then we got an anti-bypass wafer there. Kind of cool. And let's see, clip tool. Pop the clip off. And where's our key at here? All right, so there's our key pins. Go ahead and drop these. And one thing I didn't grab was tweezers here, so let me do that. All right, so yeah, I've actually got a new workstation now. So I got all my tools on my other bench. So we'll just drop these key pins first here. One, 2, one other, I think that's going to be 3, 5 and 4 right there. So we do have our serrated key pins, except for number 1. That's probably a one cut there. It's not serrated at all on the first pin here because it's so short. I think it's going to be a number 1. And the rest of our key pins, of course, are serrated. And then we'll get into the driver pins here. Let me show you these a couple of these serrated pins here. And then we'll get into the top pins. All right, so starting on number 1 here, since I actually remembered to put the follower in the right direction. All right, so when we have a serrated pin, 2 serrated, okay, 3 is a spool pin there. Not wanting to come out, there it goes. All right, so there's a spool pin. The camera to cooperate here. So there's a spool. Number 4 looks like we're going to have another serrated. And number 5 we have another spool. All right, so there's all of our pins here, so we can get you a close-up of that. So that's going to be all of our key pins and our driver pins up top there, of course, and just standard American lock springs. And like I said, it's picked here with the Multipick V60 pick. And I'll put a link to the whole set and that promo code if anybody wants to check out this Multipick stuff. I actually do like it, and one of my favorite things about it too, I really like this case a lot too. It's a nice case, something that might fit under my motorcycle. I don't have an EDC kit on my motorcycle, only in my van, of course. Anyway, if you guys got any questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. And I guess here I'm going to see a couple more of these multi-pick videos. I'm going to try the rakes out, maybe pick a few other locks with some hooks. And so I guess that's all we got for now here. We'll see everybody later.